What have you got, Abby?
Bread and butter pudding. What is?
So Paul's here putting blight prevention products on the potatoes, and simultaneously we're pulling out the irrigators and moving them up whilst he's spraying. So we're not actually holding them up and we're still watering at the same time. And then towards the end of the day, when the wind's dropped and the products have gone off well on the leaves and they've been taken in, we'll switch them on. This is just going to back up to the irrigator. It's going to spray that out and then we're going to go back again. Put a few slug pellets on this time. Just trying to set the header so we'll leave a bit of stubble. So I've just brought the first load in, just backed on for the first time. Just getting hungry. Goggles. Yeah. Doing the filing cabinet. Yeah. So just giving it full send. We did start a bit earlier, but weirdly it just wasn't dry. We thought it was going to be. So we're not going to fill the back of the shed. We're going to, well, we've got some concrete panels coming in 3 weeks, so we're going to leave it all bare, put the panels in, and then get rid of these woods. I know a lot of people are combine rounders, but actually I still think it's borderline being fit. So though, these pipes, why are we using them? These are the pedestals which we use to get the heat out of the crop, to stop the bugs. And why are we elevatoring it? Traditionally, we haven't got a forklift spare to put on the pusher, or our second forklift's never been bosh at work in the pusher. And then there's such long things, I just got fed up with the clout in the side of the shed. So it's just easy to use an elevator. And actually I really like it because it drops it in loose. When we push it up, we find the ground goes so, when we put it in with a pusher, it goes so tight. And when you put it in loose, the air gets through easier, I find, to get to these pedestals. So this morning I just made this arm up because we've never had this swift lift here made locally on this Redeemer before, so I was quite keen to get it yacht on. So when we want to move back, this machine will push the interstores and concertina those up. So I just take the header off to get into the field right beside it because of that tree. Well, there. Not quite square, will you get it? Doesn't it help that I'm a bit on the piss? That's got it. Just back up, drop it down a bit. There's quite heavy wheat in here. It should be some of our best. Drilled before a lot of the rain. It got going before the rain. so you can get behind me. If I keep going forwards, I won't snap too many heads off. It's going to rain. Look at my hair, it's gone all frizzy. So Kevin from Chandler's is here. He's just round the side of this door, calibrating the new steering thing. No, that's a tow line. The new bit what alters the gearbox forward and makes the gearbox go fast and slow.
Yeah, I feel like I've been everywhere today. I've been Norfolk way this morning, then Woods Beach, and then here.
Blimey. New van though.
Pardon?
Got a new van though.
Yeah. Got the miles up.
So every time you speed up and slow down, does that thing have to do it?
Yes.
Yes, it's done some cycles
Yeah,
then.
one way goes forward and one way goes backward.
Ah, so when you didn't work on manual, that manual stick goes in there as well, so it could have failed the end of that manual element.
Yeah, well, I've put this on, and before I took that one off and it moves. When I start it moves, and the other one didn't move. So, a good sign so far. So that's good, because the other one was completely dead.
Seems we're starting Sunday off on the right foot. We've got a flat wheel. A little tyre update. So we've done what, 8, 9?
Yeah.
9 screws and nails and assorted metal items. And now it's lunchtime, so that's all morning's took. But wow, what a lot of punctures. And weirdly, all in this outer sort of 3-4 inches. Well, we'll get put back together. So just putting it back together, we just spotted another one. Lovely. Here they come. So we've just moved on to peas. We drop the wheat. We want the colour to stay in the peas. Not that there's a great deal of colour left. There's quite a few bleach ones in there, but what can we do? We can't reg load anymore. second now. I'm taking really slow. It's nice and windy. I want to get some of this dust now. So Abby's got contact lenses in.
Can't see it. It's so dusty. Oh god.
Yeah, I was clean before I went in there. I did put 2 more rows of ducts in. It looked like I've been dragged behind a road behind a horse. So I've just opened all the doors and now we can actually see it here. It's actually quite nice in here now. We've got my least favourite thing in the world laid down. We put the air ducts in because we're cutting these up about 16%. We need another percent out. But there's no cracks. So I'll take that, we'll blow that bit out with these horror stories going under the feet. Hate them. We all hate them. But they do a fairly good job. I think there'll only be about 7 loads all in.